Now let's reset this printer. Press the cancel and wireless button together. After that, press the power button. Okay. When the both button will be blinking together, after you just release this button, it will take some time for resetting network. Now it's okay. Press the cancel button 10 seconds. After it will be show, it will be printed your printer configuration, network configuration. You can see here is a printer model and IP address. All IP address and subnet mask gateway all are 000 because this printer is not connected with any wireless network. That's why it's showing there.